Hi Kobe, my name is Berkeley from How to Repair. Hope you're okay and sorry to hear about the problem with your Beko BBIF22300B oven. Paul created a useful FAQ page for your problem and he suggested you check the grill element's continuity. He explained how easily you can do that in this page. It took a little bit to put these correct PDF documents and spare parts together, so we hope they help to solve your problem. Now, let me explain the page and how it works. When you scroll down, you can see that there are related videos which can help to reduce your repair time. Each of the page has useful repair tips and the video. So we suggest you to check these links and get more knowledge about the issue you have. When you scroll more, you will see that there are useful PDF documents like circuit diagrams, workshop manuals, error codes, and exploded parts. The workshop manual not only shows you the installation of your appliance, but also covers every components and how to access them with regards to replacing any of the item. So the workshop manual absolutely explains everything you need. As I said before, we have also added exploded diagrams. So if it is the grill element you are looking at, the reference number is 107 on the PDFs. With the same logic, if you needed a fan oven element, you would be looking at 98, which is at the bottom of the page. And the other part of the heating group, which is the base element, is listed with the reference number of 106. And the good thing is, these are all clickable links that will do a search for the part for you. So make sure to check the link you need. We also included a link to our supplier here. When you enter your full model number, it will show you a full list of spares with pictures. So make sure to check the link. It will also be great to support us. If you have further questions or need help for any of the oven models, please feel free to go to our contact us page with the full model number, which is written on the identification plate. Thanks a lot for your time. Cheers.